Good morning. Today we're going to be looking at a magnetic portable SSD drive from Orico, and it's designed to work with your iPhone or any cell phone. Transmission rate 20 gigabytes per second, external interface type C, and it works with Windows, Linux, Macs, Android, iPhone 15 and above. It feels very light. Let's see. It's got the magnetic ring. Here is the portable hard drive. It is so small. Look at this. And it's designed to stick on your device like that. You could use it with anything, your laptop, your iPad, your iPhone, anything. Oh, and it sticks pretty good too. Here is the small USB-C connector for it. And with your iPhone, you don't even need the connector here. This goes here and this goes here. Oh, this is perfect. Accessory connected, unlock to use. And let me see if it shows up. Orico, right there. Orico is empty. Now let's try it on an iPad Pro. Let's see. Okay, it does not stick to the iPad Pro. Okay, so you would definitely need this ring on it. So I'm going to go ahead and open up files. You can see right there, Orico is empty. So this is perfect. Let me try to bring some photos over and see how that works. New folder, and I'll bring all the documents from there. Perfect. Very fast. Let's just try a video and just see. Cancel this. Here's a video. And just to see how long it takes. It's a 50-second video. And open it up. And it's playing with this. I'm probably going to use it with the case. I'm going to place the ring probably right there. Take this off. Put it on. Perfect. Now I can work off my iPad or any device that I want. Wow, that's really on there. You can buy these magnetic rings online, so you can use this with just about anything.
You know, it doesn't happen very often, but when it does, wow, this thing really exceeded all my expectations. And if you head over to their Amazon page, they have all kinds of really cool gadgets for computing and technology. You might want to head over there and just check it out. I can't tell you how thrilled I am with this hard drive. I've been using it for the last week. No problems.
I give this a definite thumbs up. That's what I have for this week. Take care. Have a great day. I will see you next week.